Welcome back to my dear English teacher channel. In this video, I will tell you how to learn English or how to speak English fluently. So many teachers are there who will tell you that grammar is not important. You have to practice daily. You have to speak English regularly. In this way, you will learn. But how? At first, without any knowledge of tense, how can I speak? We live in India. Here, people don't speak English. Okay, people speak in different languages. That's why at first we have to learn tense. We need basic knowledge about tense. Without tense, it is not possible. I am not telling you that you have to know complex grammar rules, but you need a little bit knowledge of prepositions, voice change, narration change, and other grammar rules. If you know basic rules of grammar, it will be very easy for you to speak English, or it will be very easy for you to learn English quickly. From my experience, I can tell you that if you have good knowledge about tense, preposition, joining, how to split the sentence, it will be very easy for you to speak English fluently or speak English quickly. So you have to practice English at home. I can give you some tricks. Maybe when you are at home, maybe that you are lying on bed, or maybe your family members are not there, you can speak English in low voice so that other members can't hear you. In this way, you will practice. No one will hear you. Also, if you have some friends who know English, you can contact them. You can tell them while you gossip, you can speak English. And if you can get good English teachers, you can go there, you can practice with your teacher. Your teacher will definitely correct you. So if you can join a spoken English center, there you can speak English, you can practice, your teacher will correct you. And also, if you can translate from your language to English language, it will be better for you to learn English quickly. Also, I will suggest you to watch YouTube videos. There are so many good videos. You can practice regularly and you can speak sentences in your mind when you will watch videos. There are many apps on Play Store. By using the app, you can practice English with others. So you can download the app from Play Store, and after that you can practice English. Free of cost, you will practice regularly, and in this way you will improve your English very fast. And other things I can tell you that maybe that when you are going somewhere, you can maybe that see signboards on walls if there are some sentences in English, and if you do not know the meaning of the sentences, just you can find the word, and if you have mobile and if you have mobile dictionary, there you can search the word and you can get the meaning of the word instantly, and in this way you can increase your stock of word. And guys, at last I want to say that you have to practice regularly. Okay, you have to speak. Without speaking, it is not possible. Without grammar, only practice will help you, only speaking will help you. I am not saying this. Okay, grammar is important, and with the grammar you have to practice regularly. Maybe that if you do not get anyone to speak with, you will practice yourself when you are alone. You have to give up your shyness. Don't be shy while you speak. Maybe you will make many mistakes, so don't hesitate to speak. Maybe that people will laugh at you at the beginning when you start to learn or when you start to speak English. So don't be shy to speak English. These are the suggestions. So in this video, I told you how you can speak English, how you can improve your English. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos.